Hi, my name is Scott Phillips. I'm the president and founder of StarFish Medical. Quality systems, quality compliance, these are huge issues for most medical device companies, and we love to help people set up efficient systems in their companies. Normally, medical device startups have core technical expertise. They may not have all of the quality knowledge, and we can help implement a quality system, help support things like 60601, electrical safety compliance, 14971, doing your risk management. All those things are big and scary, but if you know how to do them, you can do them efficiently, and you're going to end up with a better device.
This is what differentiates us from the other providers of the quality management system that in most of the cases work in isolation from the real life. StarFish Medical is a real consulting company. We actually have an engineering department, we have a manufacturing department, and we are constantly being exposed to different audits, to different regulatory updates, so we have to keep up to date. So in that sense, we are passing all that experience and knowledge to our clients and building that into their quality management system.
So recently, a client approached StarFish for some training in medical device development for their existing quality department. We created specific training materials in quality management, risk management, and the medical device directive for their needs. During the training session, the product development team attended, and they were able to include that training into their future development plans.
Our client's notified body gave notice that they intended to visit and audit a subcontractor of our client. Speaking to them after the fact, they found it very enlightening for them as well. It was something that they'd never experienced. They'd never been audited before. They'd never had someone come in and ask them questions and ask them for records. It helped them to understand not just the whole process, but the fact that they were part of a process, that they were part of building a medical device, and that medical devices are an important thing, and that they are highly regulated, and it's not just something that anyone can walk out and do however they want. You know, there's regulations around how you have to do these things.
So StarFish was approached, like many of our projects, as a referral from a friend of Scott who knew of a company, a large company in the US, who had a large range of products, a large company, and they needed to update one of their legacy products to the new version of 6601 3rd edition. So we were given the task of updating the risk management file for this legacy product. It was 20 years old, so had no compliance with the new version of the standard. The client was happy with this, so happy in fact that we ended up doing the same thing for all of the other products in his product line, including the product which he is now developing and hasn't brought to market yet, so that all of his design history files for all of his product range had the same format, the same feel, easy to maintain, and were in compliance with the new version of the standard.